Now let us begin this chapter, chapter 6. Saudi Arabia, the land of hot deserts. Okay? Alright. I have written here some vocabulary. Alright? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We will by heart this vocabulary and we will know the meaning of it. Alright? That will be very nice for all of us. Right? Now, first, let us take the first word. Desert. Another word I have written here with the same, almost the same pronunciation. This is desert. This is desert. Desert is a place. Like here is a lot of plant, trees, and lot of birds, lot of small animals, creatures. Okay, nice greenery, and you have a rainy, a lot of rain. Okay, but this place is just different, just opposite to our this place. In this place, you will have no rain, very less rain. You will have no mud like this, no mud, where you will be able to plant trees, grow grains. Not like that. They will have sand. Instead of mud, they will have sand. Okay, so therefore, this is desert, and this is desert is dessert. It's a food. It's a sweet dish. After meal, we take. Okay, this is food, but this is place, desert. Okay, desert. Scorpion, camels, and dangerous snakes, rattlesnakes, all those things are found in this place. And lot of sand on this sand. You watch Geography channel, no? There you will see. Right? Okay. This is the word. First word, desert. Second word that I have written is scanty. Who can tell me the meaning of scanty? This year we have a very scanty rainfall. This Rajasthan, this state is having very less or scanty rainfall. Less. Scanty means not heavy. Very scanty rainfall means very less rainfall. Right? Scanty means less. And another word I have written here is infertile. Fertile means you throw one seed, nicely it will grow. Oh, this land is very fertile. Alright? Fertile. Infertile means just opposite. How much of manure or how much of effort you put in, but the seed will not grow in that mud, in that land, and the fruit you will not get. That's very infertile land. Okay? That's the meaning of infertile. Another word is barren. Barren and infertile almost they have got the same meaning. Barren also, barren land means left barren, means nothing has grown in that particular land. Right? Barren. Another word is surrounded. Surrounded means covered. Like St. Joseph's School is surrounded by beautiful greeneries and suitable ambience for study. Surrounded. Okay? Alright. So, you know the meaning of desert? Scanty, infertile, barren, and surrounded. Now I will read this chapter. Okay? The first 3 paragraphs. You nicely follow with me. Right? Give your book one side and your textbook another side and follow. Here I go. Saudi Arabia, the land of hot deserts. A desert is a land covered with sand. The rainfall in this region is scanty. It receives an average rainfall of less than 25 centimeters annually. It is an infertile region and little vegetation grows here. It may be hot or cold, but remains very dry and almost barren throughout the year. About 1/5 of the Earth's land area is covered by deserts. Most deserts of the world lie near the Tropic of Cancer in the northern hemisphere and near the Tropic of Capricorn in the southern hemisphere. These areas are affected by dry winds, These dry winds are called trade winds. The Colorado, Sahara, Arabian and Thar deserts lie in the northern hemispheres. The Takama, the Kalahari and the Australian deserts lie in the southern hemisphere. The Arabian desert is a hot desert located in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Let us learn about the life in this desert region. Fine. Let us have a little bit of explanation regarding this particular, climatic condition and the region that we are going to talk about, that is the land of hot deserts. I told you desert means hot place. You will not have green areas like this, plantations like this, vegetations like this. You will find only thorny bushes, small bushes with lot of thorns, and birds also you will not see there. Animals also you will not see there. You will find rattlesnakes, dangerous snakes, scorpion, okay, and animals also you will find very less. Camels, you will get few animals, okay. So very difficult, to live in this particular region, that is desert. And according to your textbook, okay, it's telling that this particular the hand of my pen is coming out. You see, the land of hot desert. This particular area is somewhere here. This is globe. This is equator. This is Arctic Circle. This is Antarctic Circle. This is Tropic of Cancer. That is Tropic of Capricorn. You should be by heart with all these imaginary lines. So therefore you will be able to figure it out where this particular country and this area fall. Right? Now, I told you this is Tropic, this is Arctic Circle, and here in your textbook it is written that most of the deserts of the world lie near the Tropic of Cancer. Near means closer to Tropic of Cancer in the northern hemisphere and Tropic of Capricorn in the southern hemisphere, which means the land of hot deserts are in this particular area of the earth. And we are taking the example of the Saudi Arabia. Okay, Saudi Arabia is a name of a country like India, China, Pakistan, right? Okay, so Saudi Arabia. There are so many deserts, okay, like Colorado, Sahara, Arabian, and Thar Desert. Thar Desert is in India, right, in Rajasthan. Okay, right, like that. There are so many deserts, okay, in the northern hemisphere, and in the southern hemisphere, here you have the Takama, the Kalahari, and the Australian deserts. Southern hemisphere, okay, northern hemisphere also, and in the southern hemisphere also you will have deserts in different places, in different countries, right? Okay, let us now talk about the Saudi Arabia. If we know the Saudi Arabia, what kind of people or what kind of weather they have, or what kind of animals do they keep, what kind of cultivation do they do, if we come to know that, then we can understand that, in this area, in this hot desert, the land of the hot deserts in different countries, same pattern, same kind of occupation, same kind of food habit, same kind of animals, same kind of vegetation, they also have, we can understand. Okay, so therefore, taking the example of Saudi Arabia, we are going to study the land of hot deserts, right? Okay, now Saudi Arabia, first subtopic, location and land, where it falls, that we will study, right?